that means you know that area needs it the most, and also it's actually working, because other parts of my face, it worked, and like you feel like a little tingle but not much of a tingle. So yeah, this toner is definitely the stuff. Like, you guys definitely gotta try this one out, or if not, definitely use rose toner, because those actually organic rose toner, because that definitely works. Now we're going ahead and do our vitamin E oil, or you guys might also do some serum. For me, I'm gonna use vitamin E oil because my skin's been dry lately since we're in fall season and mostly getting closer towards winter. So I'm gonna use this vitamin E oil to bring back the life and moisture in my face, because my face needs it, especially my T-zone, because my T-zone usually be dry. So yeah, I need that for that. I'm on hiatus. Now we're gonna go ahead with under eye cream. I can't pronounce that sometimes. And I'm gonna use this Olay night cream for my eyes, because it definitely helps moisturize and hydrate my eyes. I used to have my coffee one, because that helps like rejuvenate my eyes, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my other one that I use, which is the night Olay, and definitely helps moisturize my eyes. Now we're going with my hydrating shea butter moisturizer, and we're going to go ahead and moisturize our face, which I just do is I use not too much of this. It's like kind of like using coconut lotion. You just don't need like a little bit, goes a long way with this. So yeah, that's what I did. And I do my little poses. Gotta make sure you look cute as you do it. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Now we'll go ahead with this citrus setting spray. Not setting spray. This spray, I don't forget the name of this, but this setting spray, or not setting spray, I keep saying spray when I do makeup. I use this spray to like basically help keep my face hydrated and glowing throughout the day. So I just usually, when my face starts feeling dry and stuff, I just apply this on, and it helps like give that boost as if I do my morning routine or evening routine or night routine. Now we'll go ahead and with our clay mask, and we'll go ahead and just lather this on like a spa, and we'll go ahead and just set this on for about good, I want to say 5 minutes, maybe less. It depends how long you want to use it or need it on. For me, I just put on 5 minutes, and I just like did my normal chores, did my routines, the rest I need to do.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Now we're gonna go ahead and go wash my face off. We're gonna take off the clay mask, and yeah, pretty much after doing the clay mask, it helps definitely like take away all the toxins from my body, not my body, my skin or my face, and takes out the dead skin, give it rejuvenate some moisture, and also help just bring it more life. Like, I don't know how to other way to explain it other than that, but yeah. Now that our face is clean, dried off, and washed, now we're gonna go ahead and with this facial mist. It's kind of like this other spray that I did before, but I'm gonna go with this one because it's rose. And I'm just gonna have spray a full circle around my face, make sure everything's equally covered. Gonna fan it out before it dry, and then I'm gonna transfer it to future KB for our outfits. I got my morning routine. I'm now having a hard time deciding which outfit should I wear. Should I wear for the Stranger Things inspired outfit? Should I wear Steve's or should I wear Billy's? And I'm having a hard difference because, like, I like them both. I like the denim jeans outfit, but I also love the skirts, and I've been wanting to wear skirts, but I'm like, I've been like teeter-tottering on that, so like, I don't know, should I wear this outfit or this outfit? So you got 5 seconds to choose for me. So in 5 seconds, if you didn't have a choice, then well, that sucks. But anyways, we got 5. So comment down below or like this video of which one you want to do. So comment down below Billy or comment down Steve. So in 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so I decided to go with Steve's outfit because I do want to wear the skirt, and I'm like, I've been wanting to wear skirts lately. So yeah, I'm gonna go wear Steve's outfit, and yeah, let's get dressed. Now, here we are at our photo shoot set. We're at the park. I'm not naming the park where we're at right now, but definitely I was enjoying this outfit, which you can find this outfit on my Instagram. I'm going to pop it right here in my Instagram down in the description box below or right here on the screen. But now let's go into Abby's show.
Look, you see that little thing right there? Right there. My brother, and then over there is my little brother.
Well, that's this video, kids. I hope you enjoyed him as much as I did. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post the video. And don't forget to go follow my social media pages linked down in the description box below or right here. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.